Okay, so this is something I've been trying to avoid getting, but caved in because I really want to try this to make my workflow a little better and tool collection a little bit smaller, more compact. It is the Wolfbox turbofan. I have this. This is actually a turbofan brand AC27. This thing is actually pretty good. It tested well on Project Farm, and I got it for 30 bucks. At the time, this is the Wolfbox MF200. At the time, only the 100 existed, since this only just came out, a few months ago. And this one has a replaceable battery, a replaceable, removable battery. It's a little bit stronger supposedly, but what I'm really curious to see is how this stacks up against my AC, not only my AC27, but how it stacks up against my blowers that I use in my work truck. So actually, let's try this. Is it intuitive to turn on? Hold on. Okay, here we go. Okay. Nope. Oh. Okay. Oh yeah. Smash the Eiffel Tower. That's pretty powerful. One thing I don't like about this, one thing I do like about this AC27, it has a variable speed adjustment for the fan, and it has a light. Is there a light on this one? No light. But to turn it on, you have to hold it on, power it up. Turn it down. Which is kind of nice, right? Because you can just set it. The lights. It's nice to have, but really not that important. But the variable, infinitely adjustable fan speed is nice with this. But the turning it on is kind of a hassle. This, I hope, is easier. So you can adjust the speed, the trigger. And to get max, you have to hold it down. Second speed. Yeah, if you can have the infinitely adjustable fan speed, this would be dope. But I'm sure there's a reason why you don't have that. So yeah, it's actually pretty powerful. I'm going to go test it against my blower that I have in the truck. And I'm kind of hoping I can just use this in the van for everything. For work and in the van to blow stuff and clean stuff off. Pretty powerful. So it comes with these attachments, a flat one, a more concentrated one, or yeah, same OD, maybe a little bit smaller and more concentrated, and then the long one. Downside of this one, no attachments. Though I did try to 3D print one. Doesn't really work that well. Ooh, sorry about the light. But that's what's in the box, and you get a brush, a hard brush, and a charging cable and storage bag. Next comes the test against my in-truck stuff.
So this is a follow-up to my unboxing of the Wolfbox MF200, the new with the replaceable battery. I really wanted to love this. I really wanted to have this be the holy grail of blowers, work blowers for me, but it's just not going to work. I was hoping this little guy would replace this Ryobi blower and this Ryobi high-powered blower, compact, both 18 volts. I use Milwaukee stuff for work, but use some Ryobi because the stuff is frankly amazing for the price. That said, this just simply doesn't have enough power to help me do the things I need to do in the van and at work. I've got it at full. It's too anemic. This guy, when I got it, was good. But this guy, for 99 bucks. Sorry about the noise. It just can't be beat. It doesn't compare. So instead of having one little guy, I still need to keep these two. And at home, inside, I'll continue to use the blower I have until the battery dies. And hopefully by then the MF200 will be out. It'll be either more powerful or larger or whatever. But as of right now, I just can't find or justify a place for this in my tool box. I really wanted to love it, but it's just not cutting it. And that blows. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, leave comments, flame me, whatever. I appreciate all the views, and thanks again.